A massive protest was organized in Kargil under the banner of Imam Khomeini Memorial Trust Kargil, which started from the bridge of Iqbal and concluded at the Jama Masjid. Thousands of people, including children and women, participated in the protest and chanted for Palestine and the freedom of Palestine. Imam Hussein said that the people are slaves to this world and religion is on their tongues. They are cautious about what their lives will revolve around. Many scholars and students have urged the Indian government to take strong action and help the people of Palestine. Additional District Development Commissioner Leh Sonam Nurbu chaired a review meeting on the Samagra Shiksha scheme today at the mini conference hall of the DC office, Leh. During the meeting, the ADDC directed all the participating departments to present the detailed updates on their ongoing works and specifically asked each office to report on the physical progress and the financial status of the projects falling under their jurisdictions. He directed all the concerned departments to complete the ongoing works under the Samagra Shiksha scheme within 2 months. Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh Kavinder Gupta chaired a comprehensive review meeting at the LG Secretariat in Leh, focusing on key departments including the planning, development and monitoring, state taxes, excise, hospitality and protocol and civil aviation. The meeting aimed to assess the ongoing initiatives, streamline interdepartmental coordination and enhance the administrative efficiency. Officials presented the progress reports and discussed the future strategies to ensure effective governance and service delivery across the Union Territory. Honorable Chairman CEC LAHDC Leh Advocate Tashi Gyaltsen along with the Honorable Deputy Chairman Sering Angchuk, Honorable Councillor Rigzin Landup and Honorable Councillor Sering Sangdup met the Honorable Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari in New Delhi. The delegation raised the issue of the Shat-Se Taknak Bridge and informed the minister that the Union Territory Administration's supplementary list has given the priority to the Disket-Burma Bridge over the River Shyok at Shat-Se and it also remains a key priority for the Hill Council. They sought the minister's intervention in its inclusion in the CRIF supplementary list. A delegation from Kargyam village led by nominated Sangha councillor Venkongchok Sepal along with venerable monks Venerable Stanzin Namgyal and Ven Sonam Paljor called on Honorable Chairman CEC LAHDC Leh Advocate Tashi Gyaltsen and Honorable Deputy Chairman Shri Sering Angchuk. The delegation presented Honorable CEC and Honorable Deputy Chairman with a memento of appreciation.